pepper feed in your pot. We're not going to strip the tree because the tree are always here. And we have access to the tree, so we not pick everything. If we want more, we just come back. Right, Shabba style?
Yeah, man.
That is.
Tree always did there, you know?
See it?
Yeah.
Show them more God. Nice. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Yeah, blessing beautiful viewers and subscribers. I don't know, today we are checking on the farm. Yeah, it's been a while. Yeah, so Shabba just say I check in and today I check in and I do the thing. Yeah, big up all viewers and subscribers, you know, a long time. Well, few days ago, Shabba not check in on the farm, so say I check in today to see what I go on. So there. Check in on the farm. So I never say y'all have cane. Cane, can't eat a cane. Yeah, so you know you have to visit the farm. You do some more cleaning up. So check in on the farm. Water, you have water them? Yeah? No water. You sure about that? Is it under the wet? Yeah. You have one tomato sucker here we go. Which part you drop it? Tomato like here no so. And then fresh I go close to the water. You don't which part we cook. What do you think? Yeah, so the pop chai him look you know. Them are going with themselves. Oh, this hour. Oh, tomato. Yes. Tomato sucker there. So ready for plant out. Yeah, I put in the water. Get some water. Water and clean up back you know.
Soon top you up, man. You just time to come on pan.
A sprinkler. Yeah, that is it, man. Get the water. Tomato sucker come all the way from Portmore, so you know it. Journey. Put it right here, so. Look the pan here, see him here. See it? Yeah, man. Put him right there. So. What I look, so it shrink down in our travel, wait off the travel.
Come right up back.
Come right up back. That is it. Alright, see a two sucker, so drop the next one right there, so. This is some more tomato sucker. Yeah, check in on them fresh potato here. Them potato here fresh. Oil nut. This is oil nut. This is what they use to make castor oil. See? This is it. Oil nut. They use it to make castor oil. No castor oil that they use in the here. Yeah. Oil nut. That is it. Shabba cut that one flat now cause bird take over it. Man, but you take it down, man. But you take it down. Show shot, man, cut plant now. Ah. Full too, you know. You know, so when we look upon it from wrong, you know, look well full. Now that you bring it down, may I say, she say it really full. Come on. Fresh. And fresh and nice. Nice bunch of plant we get in our farm. Yeah. Just put this some meantime. So Shabba, go ahead and cut the next plant. Yeah.
Want to be used tonight, you know?
And if you use tonight out I shop, or fry later. Come. Shot, man. That is it, man. See?
Full of things like that.
To me, this could have still come more still, but so it goes sometime. Bring that in our market, you know, there. Bring that in our kitchen, you know. So you deal with it, we have to stain. Yeah, we stop drain. Eat that one. That is it. One Shabba style. Get some scotch bonnet pepper. You know, Shabba the behind the camera, right? Big up Shabba behind the camera.
Yeah.
I get some scotch bonnet pepper because you don't know. Pepper feed in your pot. When I go strip the tree, because tree are always here. And we have access to the tree, so we not pick everything. If we want more, we just come back. Right, Shabba style?
Yeah, man.
That is.
Tree always did there, you know?
See it?
Yeah.
Show them more go on. Nice. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Look at this. Shabba saying catches a crab here for there. Shabba. What go on for the crab?
When you catch him, when you look at pitney one thing, you give him, man, because you know pitney always love crab.
Oh, so yeah, go give a little pitney. Big though.
No man one thing.
No man one? In a breed.
Boy, I don't know.
Say you don't know. Alright. Yeah. That go on to the funny farm, you know. Oh, nice bunch of plant. Yeah, man, that's right, you know. Better you take them cars. Don't know food or feed, you know. That's how beautiful this is. Right by the roadside.